Hey, I'm Lauren, but you can call me LJ. For today's video, I'm going to be painting some shoes. Enjoy.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. Nice to meet you. Subscribe. It's free. For people who don't know, I paint shoes on the side, as well as working full-time, doing social media, content creating, the whole spiel. So I have these old Vans. I'll insert the picture of what they looked like before, and then this is how the base coat looks after you paint them white. They were yellow. This video is going to be done in like 2 parts, so I'm sorry for anyone who gets confused. I started filming yesterday, and then I was just going to finish it today. Start with a base coat. Now, I got these on Amazon, so you mix a 2 soft fabric medium with a Angelus white acrylic leather paint. I will link the stuff in the description for you guys. You usually mix this with whatever color you're using as your base to put on your shoe. This just helps keep the fabric shoe more flexible so it's not like stiff. And I have tons. So I got like this whole pack, this 12 pack from Amazon. Okay, oh hold up. Can we just appreciate how awful I look? Thank you. You have your Roy G Biv, so you're set. You can literally mix any colors. And then once you're done painting, you use the matte acrylic finisher. There's different ones. I just like mine to be matte opposed to satin. I've already painted one shoe. So it has this on the side. I did like that little heart thing on the back. And then it says, "Lucky me, I see ghosts," with like the free, the flames, the ghost smiley face, the feel, and then like some little extra little ghosts around. And you will need like a little painting tray and brushes. So enjoy watching today's video about me painting shoes. The inspiration for these shoes that I'm going to paint, first I have to just paint them white again. I'm going to do this heart thing on them, and then I was like, wouldn't it be so cool to make them match my sweatshirt? So I'm going to do like smiley faces, flames, and then do like a heart with feel inside. I just think it would look so cool. I'm going to paint some shoes, why not? I usually start by like lysoling the soles. So yeah, you guys can see the before. I don't know how they got so yellow. I don't know if it's from fake tanner. It's just not cute. It's not cute. Don't love that for me. Alright, soles around the edges are clean. But first I'm gonna put this little template thing in the shoe. Oh, I just broke my nail. Oh, that hurt like a bitch. Now you want to make sure that it's like all evenly distributed. Okay, so usually I would do this on my iPad first, how I want to design them, but screw it. So I'm gonna try to do the Lucky Me, I See Ghosts. So now I'm just gonna go in and start doing it with a fine line with blacks, and then I'll probably do a big smiley face here, and then I'll probably do like a heart over here, and then I'll do the heart back here with the eyes. Okay, so I've done the writing, so now I'm gonna do the smiley face, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna make it as white as I can in like a white circle, and then I'm gonna put the yellow on top and then do the black. Okay, so far that is it, and I think I'm gonna go in and just add like tiny ghosts. It's really not hard to paint shoes. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I can definitely show you how to do that. Just drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go on my Instagram to see when I post these. I'll probably do like a full fit with them. Just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. If there is anything you're wanting to paint and you don't know how, the process is different for leather shoes, so if you want to see that as well, please let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to show you how to do that. Again, I am in no way a professional. I've just been doing this for the past year in lockdown, and I love it. And I'm gonna finish the other shoe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe again, because it's free. I love you guys, and I want to keep making content. Hopefully full-time. That would be amazing. That's a dream, a goal. I love you guys. Bye, cuties.